Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try white and brown printed shirt with blue jeans and black loafers. Next you can try black polo t-shirt with grey pants and black shoes. Next you can try brown shirt with grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try orange t-shirt with cream pants and black loafers. Next you can try blue check shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try beige oversized t-shirt with tan pants and black loafers. Next you can try brown polo t-shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try grey half sleeve shirt with grey pants and black loafers. Next you can try white t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try grey oversized t-shirt with black pants and black sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 white sneaker outfit ideas.